Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 5 Baliol Road. Now this is a very intriguing 2-bedroom detached chalet style property, giving you a very open plan feeling on the ground floor with 2 bedrooms upstairs. The property also comes with a gorgeous garden with a workshop, and you've got off-road parking to the front. Coming straight through in off of the porch at the front there, we've got the open plan living space here, incorporating a lounge and dining area, then through into a kitchen at the rear. From here we also have access into a utility room and a downstairs shower room. Now there's huge potential with this property depending on how you'd like to take things forward with it, but again, location wise it really does give you easy access into both Whitstable and Tankerton. So coming through into the kitchen area here, you can see we've got a modern kitchen with a range of fitted appliances and space for further white goods. A little glimpse there into the back garden gives us an idea of what we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on with that workshop at the back. Going through now into a very conveniently placed utility room there with the wall-mounted boiler, and then you can see just ahead of us there we've got the access through into the shower room, which we'll go through and take a look at, and on the left hand side we've got the access into the side of the property and then into the back garden. The shower room here gives you a modern finish with the loo and sink unit and the double shower unit straight ahead of us there, and then heading upstairs we're going to go through and take a look at 2 double bedrooms. So up here again, 2 rooms, one to the front and one to the back. Plenty of space to work with as well. Of course, plenty of room in here for the double bed. Nice little view out to the front there, and then the same goes for the back. So I'm going to leave you for a few moments just to take this space in and also to take in the back garden. Then we'll reconvene a little bit later on in the tour to go through a couple of the property's key points. So there we have it, we're in the back garden now, just heading along to take a quick look at the workshop. We're just going to run through a couple of the key points on the property before ending today's video tour. So this is number 5 Baliol Road, a 2-bedroom open plan chalet style property, giving you a wonderful location and a gorgeous garden at that as well. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.